Hi, Mr. Rabin here. Let's learn how to fill in missing boxes in whiteboard chat. Here our activity says fill in the missing numbers in the box, and we have the boxes located here. Write the fraction 1/2. To fill in these numbers, select the box by clicking on it and typing 1. Then select the next box and type in 2. Here we've created 1/2. We can do the same for the others. Write the fraction 1/4. We type 1, then we click on the next box and we type 4. You can do the same. Write the fraction 1/6. We type 1 and we type 6. Once you're done, you can select the Select tool to complete your work and close the window. Everything is already saved.